Welcome back to Maths board. Now we solve exercise 6.3 question number 2. Question number 1 has been already solved and link has been given in description, so you can go through it. Now let's see what has been given in question 2. In figure 6.40, angle x is equal to 62 degree. Here it is 62 degree and angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, then we have to find angle OZY and YOZ. So let's see. Here figure 6.40, triangle XYZ. Here angle X is equal 62 degree. XYZ is equal 54 degree. YO and ZO are the bisector of this Y angle and Z angle. So bisector means this YO is dividing this angle Y into two equal parts, and this ZO is dividing this complete Z angle into two equal parts. And then we have to find the angle YOZ and OZY. These two angles, we have to find the value of these two angles. So what steps first we can do here? We have given triangle XYZ and two angles value 62 degree and 54 degree has been given, and third complete XZY angle is missing here. So first step we will use here angle sum property and find Z angles. So we will write here angle X plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Right? Now, angle X is 62 degree. XYZ is 54 degree. And angle XYZ, this complete XYZ is missing here. We have to find is equal to 180 degree. So we will get here 116 degree plus angle XZY is equal to 180 degree. So what is the value for XZY is equal to 180 degree minus 116 degree. So we get here 64 degree. 64 degree. Angle Z, XZY is here we get 64 degree. Now this YO and OZ. YO and OZ are bisector of angle Y and angle Z. So we can say this 54 will be divided here. Means OYZ is 54 upon 2 and OZY is 64 upon 2. So we will find out here OYZ. OYZ is equal to 54 degree divided by 2 is equal to 27 degree. Why? These angle OY is here bisector. OY is bisector of angle XYZ. Now, like this, OZY. OZY is here, we get here 64 degree and OZ is bisector. So we will get here its equal part. So it will be 32 degree. Why? Because OZ is bisector of XZY angle. Got it? Now, OZY is obtained here 32 degree and this one OZY angle has been found. Now, remaining YOZ, this angle YOZ we have to find here. How to find? Now we get here OYZ is 27 degree. So we can write here this is 27 degree, this is 32 degree, and this angle is here missing. So again we will use angle sum property for triangle YOZ. Triangle YOZ we will use. In triangle YOZ, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY is equal to 180 degree angle sum property. Angle sum property. Got it? OYZ. YOZ we have to find. It is missing. OYZ we got here from 27 degree. Now OZY is here 32 degree. 32 degree is equal to 180 degree. So it will be YOZ plus 59 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then it will be transposed to the right side. 180 degree minus 59 degree. So we will get here 121 degree. This is angle YOZ is equal to 121 degree. So this is the answer. YOZ is equal to 121 degree and angle OZY is 32 degrees. So this is the solution for this question.